dahil walang flood control na ghost projects at substandard projects. Kung walang simula dyan sa budget, na simula pa lang habang ginagawa ang budget, ay naisip na nila na kikita sila ng kickback. At halos trilyon-trilyon na flood control projects ang nilagay nila sa budget. At sabi ni Martin Romualdez, hindi daw niya yan alam. Ay ano ng klase ka namang speaker? Kung hindi mo alam yung budget mo, parang nakakapagtaka naman yan masyado. Na hindi mo pala alam. Sinasabi mo lang, si Saldico lang ang may alam niyan at si Chis Escudero. Kaya dapat wala kang pananagutan. Pero ang conspiracy is the act of one is the act of all. Yan ang conspiracy. Ang sinasabi dito, na hindi pa sinasabi ni Ombudsman, which I'm going to say, is this, that this conspiracy to plunder the coffers in the budget through these flood control projects that are ghosts and substandards began in the preparation of the budget, not in the implementation of that budget. That the plan and design, there was one design that they all agreed on, that they were going to pack that budget in several years with flood control funds because it's very hard to trace flood control funds. That's why ghost projects, ang dami-dami. Meron pang mga projects na napunduhan na sa ganitong taon, pinunduhan uli sa sunod na taon. Pero lahat ay multo lang, ghost lang, at hindi nakita nung nag-inspeksyon na ang Secretary Vince Dizon.